Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Challenger LS, stock reference number 5482. The shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grills, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, factory alloy bull bar with all bolts and brackets. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heater controls, display cluster, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.